Today we're diving into the topic that's buzzing all around: how to start trading cryptocurrency as a beginner. So whether you've just heard about BeCoin or you're looking at the next best altcoin to trade, stick around because we're going to break down how to trade cryptocurrency step by step. Let's jump right in. First things first, cryptocurrency isn't just about throwing money at Bitcoin and hoping it doubles overnight. In simple terms, it's the practice of buying, selling, or holding cryptocurrencies to profit from price changes. Think of it like trading stocks, but a little bit more volatile and more exciting. Crypto markets are open at 24/7 as well. That means opportunities and risks are always lurking. But here's the catch: beginners often dive in without understanding the basics. So before you open the trading app and start trading, let's talk strategy. So first off, trading cryptocurrency isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. Let me repeat that. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. So successful traders treat it like a skill, not a lottery ticket. One pro tip: set realistic goals. Maybe aim for a steady 1 to 2% return per week instead of trying to double your investments in a day. And ask yourself, why am I doing this? Are you trying to diversify your income, build a long-term portfolio, or build some steady income? Knowing your why can keep you grounded and can stop emotional decisions. Now let's talk about the tools you need. You can't trade without a platform. Popular exchanges like Pocket Option and Quotex offer beginner-friendly interfaces, and trust me, they're a great way to get started. By the way, if you go to BeCoin.net, we have an exclusive offer: 50% off your first deposit on Quotex or Pocket Option when you sign up through us. It's basically just free money to experiment with. So here's a checklist of tools you need. 1. You need a cryptocurrency wallet. So here's where you store your coins. Look into hardware wallets like Ledger for additional security. Next, use a platform like Pocket Option or Quotex for fast trades. And use market analysis tools like TradingView to help you read charts and track trends. Now, here's where the magic happens. Understanding market trends is your bread and butter as a trader. Crypto prices are influenced by things like news events, like did Elon Musk just tweet about Dogecoin again? Market sentiment is also a pretty big deal. Like, are people buying or panicking? And finally, supply and demand. You want to ask how many coins are available and what's the trading volume for this? And here's a big tip you have to consider. You have to learn how to spot fake news. Cryptocurrency is notorious for pump and dump schemes fueled by misinformation. Cross-check everything before you move forward with a financial decision. All right, now you're ready to pick your first coin. Everyone's heard of Bitcoin, but did you know it's not always the best place to start? Sometimes smaller altcoins offer better short-term gains. One method: look for coins with active communities and real-world use cases. If a project has no utility, it's probably a hype train that'll crash eventually. Now let's get into strategy, and this is where things get fun. If you're a beginner, you want to keep things simple. Let me introduce you 2 easy methods and 1 more advanced method. So one is dollar cost averaging. This is fancy talk for investing a fixed amount at regular intervals. For example, putting $50 into Ethereum every week, no matter the price, is a great way to minimize risks. Swing trading is also a great option for traders where you catch shorter term price movements and you look for coins that are trending upwards, you set a price target, and you sell when you hit it. And finally, there's scalping, which is a little bit more advanced. So with this, you can trade on minutes or hour scales. So instead of swing trading where you trade on day scales, you trade on much shorter time periods where you use things like support, resistance, moving average crossovers, momentum, these kind of things that can help you really make split-second decisions. This is a little bit more advanced, so I wouldn't recommend this for beginners. And here's an insider tip: avoid using leverage until you're more experienced. Leverage can magnify your gains, but it can also wipe you out in an instant. Now let's talk about how to avoid some beginner mistakes. So the number 1 mistake beginners make is fear of missing out. So if you see a coin skyrocketing 300%, don't jump in blindly. Chances are it's already too late. Don't chase every price fluctuation. Sometimes doing nothing is the smartest move. And here's one of the best hacks you've never heard of: keep a trading journal. Write down why you entered a trade, what you expected, and the actual outcome of the trade. Over time, this will teach you more about your own habits than any course could. And now let's talk risk. So never, and I mean never, trade with money you can't afford to lose. The cryptocurrency market can be a roller coaster, so it's crucial to protect your capital. So one rule I abide by all the time is to set a stop loss order. This feature automatically sells your coins if the price drops below a certain level, limiting your potential losses. Here's a golden rule. Don't be greedy. If you're up 20%, consider taking some profits. You can always reinvest later. The trick? Split your trades into chunks. Sell half when you hit your target and let the rest ride. This way, you lock in gains while still leaving room for upside. And cryptocurrency trading is an ongoing journey. Markets evolve and new strategies emerge all the time. Follow industry news, join online communities, and stay curious. And don't forget, BeCoin.net has loads of educational resources tailored for beginners like you. Plus, that 50% deposit bonus on Pocket Option or Quotex is an awesome way to practice with less risk. Remember, start small, stay patient, and always manage your risk. And check BeCoin.net for more tools, tips, and sweet deposit bonuses. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more updates like this. And let me know in the comments what's your first coin you're planning on trading. Until next time, happy trading.